Everyone on social media loves to make trading more complicated than it is, and my mission is to change that. So in this video, I'm going to show you a free indicator that I've personally built that goes hand in hand with the core principles of what made me a $1 million trader. And if you stay till the end of this video, I will share with you the name of the indicator so you can go to TradingView and download it for absolute free. Let's get right to it. So as I've always said, price action and volume is key. And one of the main things you guys want to focus on is your levels and then what happens when a pattern is formed. So in this example, we have NVIDIA making a strong move, and after that strong move, it starts pulling in this bull flag, okay? Once this bull flag is formed, the main thing you want to wait for and look for is that you get a breakout with above average volume, okay? And this right here, this arrow, after you've identified this bull flag and this candle breaking out with above average volume spike here, this arrow gives you the confirmation that one, you have a bull flag, two, you have a volume spike, and that right there is your confirmation to take the trade, okay? You have a solid breakout, a pullback on decreasing volume, and a breakout on increasing volume. This right here is your entry. The stops are below that bull flag right here, and take a look at what happens later on. As the price continues to push, this is going to make a substantial move. And if you're day trading this and your entry was somewhere here, for a single day trade, you should already be up around 30 to 40% on this initial move up. Now, if you already missed that first entry, take a look at what happened again. This right here gives you another alert saying that it's breaking high of day. You have a technical reason, a breakout and above average volume again, and this entry right here on the move up to around here is already going to give you another 20 to 30%. Take a look at what's happened. You had one area with pattern and breakout in volume. You had a second area breaking over high a day with volume, and this move is substantial. Had you held this original trade, you would have been up nearly 100, 120%, and if you entered here, you would have been up over 50, 60%. Here's another example on PLTR the other day, okay? You have a clear bear flag forming here. You have a nice trend line, and as soon as we get that volume spike, which you got one here, but the confirmation candle came right here, that's your entry. Volume is substantially spiking on the move down, guys. This is your confirmation to hold that trade. If this was your entry and you got in on a Monday or Tuesday or even Thursday, you could have had anywhere from 20 to 400% returns on this move down. There is still no reason to exit this trade, and sell volume is starting to spike again. Again, another confirmation to hold this, and we'll draw a trend line and see what happens here. Boom, more breakdown, more confirmations of volume spiking, okay? This right here had no reason for you to exit, and you're up nearly anywhere from 60 to 300% depending on what day of the week you took these option expires. Now, all you need to do to add this indicator to your chart is go to indicators and search for volume spike dash 2 minute. So I already have it on my charts, but it's right here, okay? So you add this to your charts and it'll go ahead and it'll give you all exactly what we discussed. You can either go in, you can also go in and adjust the look back. So it's based on the last 7 volume bars, and I think that's the sweet spot here. However, if you're going to increase your time frame, you should probably decrease the look back time. And the threshold here is I have it set to 2.2. Okay, so this above 100, 120% above average is really what I'm looking for. You see, this indicator was built on one of the core pillars of what made me a profitable trader, because price action is king. And that was something I learned after 4 years and after blowing tons of money in the market. And using this one core concept has made me nearly $13,000 in the last 5 trading days alone. This is the exact same system Max used to make $14,000 in a single day, and the same system Lori used to make $34,000 in under 4 months. So if you're tired of trying and failing and want to expedite your learning curve so you can get to 20 to 30,000 per month, click the link below, see if you qualify to work with me one-on-one, and I'll personally reach out to you. And if you're not ready for that, no problem at all. I post tons of free content on here that's going to make you a profitable trader alone. So watch these videos and I'll see you on the next one.